Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. It is currently 6:57 and I do have to start work at 7 o'clock, so we'll see how that go. I just wanted to go ahead and attempt to record this video to get it out the way. So let's go ahead and close out the entire month of August. I don't know, I was just fixing to say September, but as you can see, I did have, so we can count together. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or from what I kept up with, we had about 10 no spins. Of course, after this day, everything kind of, I didn't keep up with it because that money was from vacation. So I'm just going to say about 10 to 11 no spins overall. Let's go ahead. Also, Travis did pay the rent in full, so the money that I saved and set aside for the rent, I still got it. Well, I still got, I don't know, $600 and some, so that's good. I ended up helping my mom out, so that's where the rest of that money went. Let's go ahead and officially close out the budget, and I made sure I did it right this time. I already have everything written out. When it comes to the income, the first paycheck was $1,000. Well, the income overall was $1,443.02. The second paycheck was $1,676.80, which is the amount that I budget off of. A full total of $3,119.82. Now, the amount that I actually budget off of when I made my monthly was, I budgeted off of $2,740, and I do that because I never know what my paycheck is going to be. We do get bonus, overtime, all of that. So I haven't worked overtime in a good, what seems like 2 months or so, but I definitely need to pick it back up. So this right here is what I thought. But let's get back to the closeout. When it comes to the cash envelopes, the first amount for the paycheck was $106.11 out of $210, and the second paycheck was $276.09 out of $320, I believe. Let me just check. Yep, that was correct. What? That was correct. I don't know what I was trying to say. Probably need to get some rest, but then again, I did sleep about 8 hours or so. When it comes to savings, the first paycheck I was able to save $210. The second paycheck I did save $161.68 for a total of $371.68. When it comes to the bills, the first set of bills were $923. The second set, I paid $1017.12 for a total of $1,940.12. When it comes to the rollover, I did have rollover, thank goodness. So the first amount for rollover was $34.89, and the second amount was $43.91 for a total of $78.80. And when it comes to offering the first paycheck, I did send my sister $169.02. The second paycheck, I did send her $178 for a total of $347.02. And when you subtract everything, which we can do together just to make sure, I did that correct. So we're going to start with minus 382.20 minus 371.68 minus 1940.12 minus 78.80 minus 347.02, which gives you 0. So I was able to close this out properly this time. I actually closed it out and written it down wrong, but I had to rewrite it here. So that's it. That's the closeout for the month of August. I am going to record 2 more videos, that way I can get caught up for September. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.